Hello everybody, this is Bulji from JK. Today I'm going to make a video about email scammers. That video is really important. Don't skip and watch until end. You will find out what I'm talking about it, because you can also be get scammed through this email. Actually, let me show you my email, and it came from Apple Store. Basically what happened, we get a lot of emails. If we don't recognize the senders, like who send us emails, so basically the way I do, I just click, I delete it without opening. So if and some of already go to my junk mail, and I just delete my junk mailbox. But this email is really like, I think it's the latest trick. It will get your attention. So I'm gonna explain you how, because that's the second email I received, and I was almost to be get there, but then I just, before I go through, then I figured out, because there's a lot of things you have to think about it. Like first I showed you, I have a first email from Apple Store on over here. If you see here on the right corner, it says March 5th 2019. So what happened, actually, Apple Store sent me email like I have a bought something for $19.99 plus $2 tax, and total charges to me are Apple. So one thing, that time I didn't pay attention, and I know I don't have any my credit card or any my bank account tied to Apple Store, so there's no chances. So first thing is this one. So you have, if you have no credit card or any payment method tied to the Apple Store, you don't need to worry about it. You just can ignore it. But then I got yesterday again over here, it's almost same thing. They told me actually they're sending you a receipt. Basically that's the thing, and it comes from Apple Store. So what you will see in the receipt, you will see, okay, you bought something like whatever for $29.99 plus $2 tax and $31.99 and Apple ID whatever. So basically what people does, when they see this one, they try to start checking, like why we gotta pay, like why we gotta charge for this one. It also say, if you did not make a purchase, you can cancel payment by verifying your information on file we have attached to this message. That's really crazy, because what you gonna try to do, basically after you, if you basically, yeah, the way I'm gonna say I do, and everybody does, I'm gonna say, yeah, I didn't make any payment. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna verify my information. I'm gonna click over here. So what are we gonna do? But you can click over here, nothing gonna happen until you fill your information. You don't fill your information, but let's click on it, so you will find out what I'm talking about. Okay, I have a full opening. If you click over here, you're gonna open in a Safari. First thing, you're not supposed to click on it. So but if you go look it over here, you're gonna find out where it's gonna take us. Look at, so it's taking to the new summary fortune.com. So you can see this is not from the Apple, it says somewhere else. So error page, I know it's my MacBook, so I'm gonna let it open. So I have a something like, it's not the page for safe or a scammer. My MacBook is not gonna let me open. And second thing, I think not the second, the first thing we're supposed to do, before we do anything, we gotta verify who is the sender. Is Apple Store? If you click over here, it will tell you who sent here. Look at, it's somebody, this guy or this scammer or whatever. Like here, my mouse on the left hand side, you will see that's the actually address. They named their email to show as the Apple Store, and it will trick your mind. It will tell you this came from Apple, and we start clicking on this websites and start putting our information, and by the time we put all the information, they're gonna know what we have our username and password. They're gonna start hacking our Apple ID. So be aware about it. If you see any email, you didn't make any purchase or anything, you got an email like that, so rather than go to click anything on this email, I will prep you just to go straight on the other page and go to your Apple Store and go to your other device on Apple Store and check if that's kind of happen. So the best thing is select and delete. That's all. So you don't need to read those kind of emails or anything, and you don't need to click any link is provided on those kind of emails. That's all for today. Thank you for watching. If you like my video, please like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching.